Hi everyone, good evening and welcome to the CAHO Continuing Quality Education series of webinars. So today is the 26th webinar in this series and today it's on quality in transfusion medicine. It's beyond standards. I am Dr. Anuradha Pichumani, the chairperson of the Quality Professional Wing of CAHO and the Executive Director of Sriranga Hospital, Chengalpet, Tamil Nadu. To introduce CAHO to all our new participants, CAHO is a non-profit organization dedicated to promoting patient safety, quality, and accreditation in the healthcare delivery ecosystem. And through various structured training programs, which we have been imparting relevant healthcare quality skills to all the grassroots level of healthcare workers. And CAHO has trained more than 10,000 clinical and non-clinical healthcare professionals till date. So this is the CAHO leadership. We have Dr. Vijay Agarwal as the president, Secretary General is Dr. Lalit Joseph, Vice President is Dr. Shankar Gupta, and the Finance Secretary is Dr. Nareen Sehgal. CAHO is an institutional member of the ISQA, the International Society for Quality, as well as member of ASQA, the Asian Society for Quality. And we have been running this Continuing Quality Education series, which is a 3-hour conclave now. It's conducted on the last Saturday of every month in association with ASQA. And this webinar is being organized by the Quality Professional Wing of CAHO. So Quality Professional Wing is one of the 3 wings of CAHO, and this wing is dedicated to nurturing the professional needs of healthcare quality workers. And I am the chairperson of this wing, and we have vice chairperson is Dr. Suvin Shetty, and Dr. Anna George is the secretary. Each of this session, it's being led by various experts with domain knowledge and experience. And these sessions are aimed at educating healthcare workers throughout India and also elsewhere. We have various best practices to adopt and implement with the goal of improving patient safety and quality of care across the world. So I welcome all the members of CAHO for this webinar. We'd also like to welcome our partners for this CQE series. I welcome Dr. Karen Luxford. She's the president of ASQA, and all the board members of ASQA for the collaboration with CAHO on this webinar series. And many of them have joined in today. We are also very privileged to have the Asian Association of Transfusion Medicine as a knowledge partner for this program. And I welcome all the members of this association, especially Dr. Nabajyoti Chaudhary, the president of the Asian Association of Transfusion Medicine, and Dr. Sadhana Mangwana. On behalf of the governing committee of CAHO, I welcome everyone to this program and look forward to an engaging session from all the CAHO as well as the ASQA speakers. The theme for today's session is Quality in Transfusion Medicine, Beyond Standards. And on behalf of CAHO, I appreciate the tremendous work which has gone for this organization, for this getting this webinar together today. And I appreciate all the organizing team as well as the CAHO team in putting it together. And we have with us Dr. Gajendra Gupta, who is the organizing chairperson for this webinar. Dr. Gajendra Gupta is the medical director and the head of Department of Pathology and Transfusion Medicine at Satkoma Durlabji Memorial Hospital at Jaipur. I now request the organizing chairperson, Dr. Gajendra Gupta, to introduce his team and take the proceedings forward. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you and good afternoon, everyone. I think I'm very much obliged when Suvin called me one day to organize this webinar. So I'll want to thank CAHO at first that they have taken a very important topic of transfusion medicine, which I always felt as being a member of many committees at times in QCI and NABH and all. I always felt that hospital standard of accreditation are falling short to address many issues in transfusion medicine. So I think then I brought in my main leader of today's webinar, Dr. Shami Shastri. She is secretary of our ATOM and she is head of the department at Kasturba Medical College at Manipal. And she's a very dynamic transfusion specialist working with many organization and association, as well as she is secretary India chapter also. So I think she handpicked all the speakers of today webinar, and they all, you'll find them a specialist of their field where she have picked up. And I thank my team and Dr. Navjot and Dr. Sadhana for allowing us to be a knowledge partner with Kaho today to do this webinar. So I'll not take much of your time because we all are waiting to interact with our speakers and have our discussion. And I assure you, because you see, if you go through NABH standards, you'll find transfusion medicine is a very small part which is not addressed completely. So today, all the specialists of transfusion medicine will be talking on a very handpicked subject of transfusion medicine, which is very different, very divergent, and very challenging. And it's changing very fast. So I thank Kaho for choosing this, as well as I thank my team for being there and doing the great job. So I'll not take much of the time. I'll introduce Mr. Abdul Dhyan because he'll be the one who will take us through the webinar to the end. He's the Senior Manager Nursing Operations and Quality at HCG Enterprises Limited, and he's looking after Gujarat and Rajasthan, I believe, if I'm right, Abdul. He's looking after both of the hospital and operation. He's a dynamic nurse leader and quality champion, and he has got great experience in patient safety, healthcare, and quality. So I think now I request Mr. Abdul to take the webinar, and we'll be enjoying our presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And very, very happy good afternoon to all the respected faculties, delegates, and the fellow mates of my Kaho. So I guess it is in continuation with our CQE sessions, continuing quality educations. We are here today again with it and another beautiful learning to delve in a new knowledge, take home back with lots of insights on transfusion medicine. So as Dr. Anuradha already spoke about, so today's theme is all about quality in transfusion medicine beyond standards. So to kickstart with this session and the webinar, we have a very expert and eminent faculty